Hello, I'm Marie Internet, and today we're going to practice writing out addition problems with more than one digit. Take this problem for example. You have 52 plus 104. Well, if you're in first or second grade and you're just learning how to do double and triple digit addition, this can be tough to do it straight across, called horizontally. Let me grab my pen. Horizontally is this direction. Students prefer to do it vertically. So, how do we change it? You start with the number which has the most digits. If there's a tie, then start with either number. So between 52 and 104, which one has more digits? 104 has 3 digits, and 52 only has the tens in the ones column, giving it 2 digits. So you start with the 104. Even though the 104 came second in the sentence, we're going to start there. Believe me, it'll get harder when you do triple, quadruple, and on and on and on when you're adding thousands and 10,000s. You just want to start with the larger one. They stack up nicer and it helps you plan ahead. The next thing you do is line up all the digits by the ones column. That's very important. You have to pretend like they're up against a wall, imaginary wall right here, and everybody lines up on the ones column. This is the ones column. So it's important to have the 4 from the 104 line up with the 2 from the 52. Again, in the tens column, there's a 0 there, but there are 5 tens here because there's 50 and 52. And there's a 1, there's 100, but there's no 100 here, so we're going to leave that empty space. And you get that empty space by scooching that number in up against that imaginary wall right here. Let's try it. If this was 78 plus 260, how would you set it up on your paper? Close your eyes, try to imagine it for a second, and I'm going to draw it out. First thing I have to decide is what? Which has more digits? Take a look. Which one has more digits? I'm going to go with the 260. So I write my 260, make nice numbers, kind of spread them out a little because we're going to keep our lanes. And then it's a plus problem. Get my equal sign down there. Now 78, where does it go? Should I put the 7, 8 here or the 7, 8 here? Well, if there's an imaginary line, we'll make a little brick wall right there. We need to tighten everybody up against that, so the 8 belongs here because he's in the ones column, and it's a 78, so the 7 belongs in the tens column. Nobody's in the hundreds column because 78 is less than 100. Now you can set up your math, and again, keep your rows steady for good habits. Remember your dotted lines, keep your lanes separate, nobody's cutting into each other's lanes, and you'll be successful. 2 things to remember. Let's sum it up. They are: first, take the bigger number with more digits. That goes first. And second, line them up against that brick wall right here. If you can do that, you'll be successful. Thanks for watching.